Now we discuss formats of business plan. Four formats of business plan. First one, elevator pitch. Elevator pitch, 3-minute executive summary is elevator pitch. When we are continuously speaking about our business plan, 3 minutes for 3 minutes. So 3-minute summary, executive summary plan is elevator pitch. How you identify if different formats are given and that is written, identify which format of business plan is described here. So 3-minute word help you to identify, yes, this is elevator pitch. Next one, a pitch deck with oral narrative. A pitch deck with oral narrative is slideshow in which we showing different trends, graphs and verbal narrative also. We are showing slides and we are explaining side by side. What is the purpose? To awake the interest of potential investors. So the words which help you to identify the format, slideshow and graphs and awake interest of potential investors. These words help you to identify, yes, this is a pitch deck with oral narrative. Next, a written presentation for external stakeholders. Written presentation for external stakeholders. External stakeholders means the person who are having interest in your business but they are outside from your business, like suppliers, like customers, like buyers. Detailed, well-written plan aimed at external stakeholders. A completely written plan but detailed, well, with format. Next, an internal operational plan, as name is indicating, internal operational plan, a detailed plan required by management, because management is your internal part. So these are different 4 formats of business plan. Note it down. If this is a long question, show it like this. Otherwise it will be asked in the form of like explanation of any one is given and it will be asked which one of the following format is explained in above given lines. Note it down.